Cookies are quintessential favors. These baked goodies are small, sweet, and are perfect for a quick snack on the go. Making delicious cookies is easy. You only need a few basic ingredients, a bit of imagination, and the best possible cookie press you can find. These small kitchen gadgets can give your cookies a more elegant and more professional look. There are many products available to choose cookie presses, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cookie presses from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press. Budget-conscious people will love the Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press. This is one of the most affordable cookie presses you can ever have. The good news is that it never reneges on its fundamental purpose of creating fantastic cookies every single time. You will love the soft touch trigger of the Simple Success. Even a person who has arthritis will never have issues squeezing the trigger. On that note, this device is a great tool for kids to try their hands at making cookies. The 13 discs should make the cooking-making experience for children a lot more enjoyable. While Simple Success is easy to maintain, you will have to pay attention to the correct arrangement of the individual parts. It can be tricky to reassemble. Also, you will have to apply consistent pressure on the trigger to create cookies with uniform thickness. Other than that, the Wilton Simple Success is a good cookie press for those on a budget. Number 2. Auricum Cookie Press Maker Machine. The Auricum Cookie Press is not only great for making exciting spritz cookies for your kids. It can also be an invaluable tool for making fascinating icing and other decorations for your cakes, cupcakes, and other baked goods. The Auricum also includes 6 piping tips that are perfect for making swirls, flowers, and other fancy icing designs. These are on top of the 16 whimsical discs that can make butterflies, teddy bears, pine trees, and seashells out of your cookie dough. The lever connects to a mechanism that allows for effortless squeezing. Cleaning up the different parts is also very easy. Too bad the Auricum Cookie Press makes cookies that are smaller in size than usual. You also cannot adjust the size. Given the addition of the piping tips to the package, the Auricum gadget is a great cookie press for your money. Moreover, it is durable and versatile that you can make exciting delicacies other than cookies. Positive side of this product. Soft squeeze mechanism. It comes with cookie discs and decorating tips. Multiple applications. Easy to clean. Great value. Number 3. Makato Atlas Deluxe Biscuit Maker Cookie Press. People who wish to wow their kids and visitors by serving them with an amazing array of artisan-like cookies should always consider the Makato Atlas Deluxe Cookie Press. This is a small kitchen device that can make cookie adventures more engaging and more fun for everyone. You will love the 20 different discs that come with the package, so you can create an amazing combination of goodies that the entire neighborhood will love. What's even more amazing is that the Atlas Deluxe comes with an adjustable cookie size mechanism, so you can create small cookies for young kids and large ones for adults. Get ready to pay more for these features, however. Also, the Atlas Deluxe does not come with a transparent dough chamber. That might be an issue for those who prefer having good visual feedback. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 14-piece Cookie Press Set. OXO makes it super easy and super fun to make artisan-like cookies right in your own kitchen. The Good Grips Cookie Press comes with a very thoughtful design that people with arthritis will never complain about, making delicious and appetizing cookies. You can make amazing cookies that children will love. You can make baked goodies in the shape of a butterfly, bear, sunflower, shell, and snowflake, just to name a few. What makes this OXO product amazing is its ergonomic lever. However, once you have mastered the basics, everything should be a cinch. While this product is pricier than your average cookie press, you can rely on its quality construction. As a result, making professional-looking cookies will never be an issue ever again. Number 5. Wilton Preferred Press Cookie Press, 13-piece. If you love the Wilton Simple Success but wished it didn't look cheap, then you've got to check out the Preferred Press from the same company. This cookie press can do everything that Simple Success can. The advantage is that the Preferred Press incorporates high-quality metal in its construction. This also gives it a more contemporary look. The Preferred Press comes with 13 disc shapes and a clear dough chamber. Squeezing the dough onto the baking sheet is also easy because of the soft grip trigger design. In addition, there's a holder for organizing the discs, and the base of the press is wide enough to ensure greater stability. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.